The recent ban by the Pakistani government to use social media by the government servants without the prior permission is a significant move aimed at regulating the online activities of the civil servant. Let's dive into this decision. Legal framework and SOPs. The government has issued new legal standard operation procedures to curb the misuse of the social media by the government employees. This prohibits the government servants from engaging in political discussion, sharing official information without the authorization, and appearing on the media platforms without the prior permission. These guidelines are designed to prevent leaks of sensitive information and maintain public trust. Constitutional consideration. This ban arises question about the balance between national security and the freedom of expression. Article 19 of the Constitution guarantees the right to the freedom of speech and expression, subject to the reasonable restrictions imposed by the law in the interest of the glory of the Islam, integrity, security, or defense of Pakistan, friendly relations with the foreign states, public order, decency, or the morality. The new SOPs can be seen as a measure to prevent national security, public order, but they should be implemented. Implication for the government employees. Government employees are now required to obtain permission before engaging on any social media activity. Violation of these guidelines can cause misconduct, and the disciplinary action can be taken against it. The government aim to secure itself and stop unauthorized information to come out. Criticism. Critics argue such restriction can exercise the government control on employees and suppress them. These are concerns that are broad scope. The SOPs can be misinterpreted, but however, the intention behind this is to save the public trust, and interpretation of this can be done in a very broader and a positive manner. But we should need a balanced approach to see all this matter, because sometimes when we are engaging on social media, especially a government servant can unintentionally or unwantedly say something which could damage a legal system or a governmental department. So every aspect should be considered, and I am very positive that these SOPs can be very helpful.